When people say not to cut the nails round, what they mean is to prevent this from happening. So when you can see that sometimes when people cut and they don't cut all the way like this, there is like a sharp piece that is left behind, and that can actually cause an ingrown, because what happens is when this grows, it can actually pierce the skin and be very, very painful. So as you can see, this piece, this we have to be very careful of. So what I'm going to do now is to cut this little piece, and I make sure now that this is going to be smoother. So I still have to work on it because it's still a little sharp. It is a little bit too short, that nail, yes, I agree, but okay. So now it's rounder. It could be a little painful because it's just cut too short, but we're gonna leave it, and I think it's going to be good. I'm gonna soften the skin with the e-file later. So this is what I wanted for you guys to see the difference between following the shape of the nail properly and kind of improperly, because this can happen very easily.